What's up guys, what's going on Boske's FX family? I hope you guys are all doing good and welcome back to Boske's FX YouTube channel. We really appreciate it guys to have you back once again here, and also guys, we would like to thank you all who just subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you have not yet done so, please kindly hit the subscribe bell and turn on the notification icon so that you will not miss out our next concept when we upload our next video. So guys, in today's video you are going to watch me trading New York opening. As you can see guys, the market already opened. And also guys, if you are also new here, we also talk about smart money concept, ICT concept, and order block strategies. If you are looking forward to learn about those concepts, you are most welcome to join the team. So guys, as we promised, we're gonna do these type of videos every day, so you see them if you subscribe to our YouTube channel. So as you can see here, we have NASDAQ guys, and this was our internal structure right here, right? We had a swing high, right? And then the price have taken out the swing low, creating a new low. And you can also see that the price have created a new external low, but they are still in the demand zone in daily time frame. So the price have given us a change of character, and you can see they just induce the orders right here, just coming back to this order block, which you can also see if you go to H1 time frame. You can also see this order block nicely, because you can also see that this order block was responsible for breaking this structure. So we had something like a rally, base rally. We're going to talk about that on our next video, which we're going to upload on weekend. So the price just came back to mitigate that zone area and then shift the market going up. Now they are approaching the supply zone, which we have found in 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, here is our swing high right there. So I'm looking forward to take my sell at this zone area so that we can short, and then we'll go down as the price is still on a downtrend. So we're gonna also show you some of the setup which we took today guys, yeah, right. We also took a buy in the morning around this zone area. We also took a buy in the morning. We had a structure breaker right there, and then the price induced this zone area. So the price just came back to this zone, and then we took our buy around this zone area, and then the price went up. So now the price came back, rejecting this hidden base here, which you can also see in 5 minutes time frame. There was an opposite candlestick. That's why the price rejected, as you can see, and this opposite candlestick was responsible for breaking our external structure. That's why the price rejected, going down, also inducing the orders around this zone area. But the price still give us a compression, which we seeing. As you can see, this is a compression, so the price just induced the liquidity, and then they started going up. So now we're gonna see if price reach this zone area, we're gonna take our sales around that zone area. So we'll do the same thing which we did yesterday. We'll put our trading alert, and then once price reach that zone area, they'll alert us, and then we'll take our shots. So now, for now, let's go to the trades which we took today guys. We took GBP USD, but we took a loss. And I'm gonna show you. As you can see, we had a break of structure and a change of character around this zone area. But what you have to understand guys, and also what I have learned, is something like this guys. Let me show you here, right? Let's say the price will give you a choke, right? Let's say the price will give you a choke. Like what I have said, you do not always validate a choke, because sometimes it will be a liquidity grab. So the price give us something like this, right? and then the price came back, taking out this zone. So the price came back to this zone, rejected. That's when I took my buys. But what you have to understand is that you have to wait for price to give you a pullback again and break that zone area, and then you look for your what? Your longs around this zone area right here. But if price doesn't give you that and then continue going down, meaning that demand zone area will become weak. That demand zone area will now become weak. So that's what you have to understand. So you have to validate that this last lower high is being taken out. Also, sometimes they can also do something like this. If they take it out something like this will be a nice trade to look for what? For longs around this zone area. Now let me just grab it, something like this, guys. So maybe, yeah, something like this. So if they give you something like this will be a nice confirmed trade. This will be nice confirmed trade. So sometimes you just take your trades, because sometimes they'll not come back. They'll just give you a impulsive move, and then they'll continue going up. But we took a loss, right? We took a loss. It's part of the game, as you can see. But also it was at the flippy zone area. So for now, I'm gonna wait for my breakup blocker right there. That's where I'm gonna wait for my entries, meaning this is no longer valid. Right here, something like that. So the price is just giving us compression going down. So they just respected this zone as well. As you can see, this is a demand zone area right here, where the demand, let me delete this is a demand zone area right here. So a failed demand will now become a supply, right? A failed demand will now become a supply. So that's why the price rejected, and then they are going down now. So we'll wait around that zone area. And also on euro, we are still waiting for longs, because the price have been giving us compression, and there's a hidden base as well, but we didn't check this one because there was no confirmed. I was waiting for the price to push up, but they failed to give me a confirmed entry point. So for now, the price came back and trapped at the hidden base, and now I'm waiting for this breaker blocker to be mitigated, and then we'll look for what? For our longs. And these setups were being shared in our free Telegram group. You can also find the link below description. And now, guys, let's see what's happening on NASDAQ. Just missed our entry point with few pips, guys, as you can see. So just wait, and then we're gonna take our shots, or we can also take them there, guys, because sometimes NASDAQ will not come back. But let's just be patient and wait for a nice entry point. Is the next candlestick is about to open, and it's now 4 o'clock right in my time. I'm gonna take my entry, guys. Take my entry right there, right? Because the price just rejected, and they have given us a doji, which was also a nice confirmation. So, guys, I'm gonna do a screen record right on my phone, so that you can see the trades which we took right around that zone area. So let's see how this trade will play out, guys, as we are in already. So from next week, guys, we're gonna have like a Zoom session whereby we'll be trading this type of New York session with our clients. So you just find the link below description, or I'll leave my link to DM me straight on my Telegram, so that you'll be able also to join those live sessions, guys. As you can see, the price is going down nicely, and yeah, if I double my account like what I did yesterday, I'll close my entries, right? So right here, the confirmation was that the price just came back to near our supply zone area. So sometimes they will not actually come to those extreme points. As I said, sometimes they will reject, right? And then you miss your entry. That's why I love to take this type of entries, right? And then if you double your account, you are good to go, and then you close your entries. So this will be our entry point right here, right? And then our SL will be at this zone area. Target will be this first zone, which was indicated right there. So for you to minimize, sometimes if you like to minimize your entries or your SL, right, you have to look. Okay, we also had a opposite candlestick around this zone, because this one was created after this breaker. So this one was also a nice order block right there, guys. And you can see, guys, the price just came back to mitigate that zone area. Now they're shifting, so you can also use this as your SL right there. You can also use this as a SL. Oh, sorry guys, cut the recording on my phone. But anyway, let me just re-record, and then we'll just add up the recording though, something like that. So as you can see, the price is going down, guys, nicely. They're going down nicely, guys. They're going down. This was a nice trade, guys. Our account is almost being doubled, and then we'll close, and then we'll trade next week again. So if you like to join this type of New York opening live trade, you just DM me on my Telegram. So guys, I'm closing my entries now. Closing my entries. Done closing, guys. Done closing. So yeah, guys, that's how I trade New York sessions. So I just double my account, and then I'm out, and we'll trade again next week. So we'll see what the price will do. As you can see, it just rejected to that OB, which I was showing you in 15 minutes, in 5 minutes, sorry, 5 minutes. Let me show you why we took that trade, because some of you will be like, this guy just took trade because he saw a rejection. No, that's not the case, guys. Now you can see, right? You can see here we had a break of structure, right? And this candlestick was created after the break of structure, right? And you can see this one was created inside, meaning it's a internal structure right there, internal structure. And then the price just came back to that zone area, mitigate it, as you can see, mitigate it, and then the price went down. And a good rejection was that the price have given us a doji. This is a nice doji candlestick right there, guys. A nice one, right? And our entry point was around this zone area, right? And you can see this was the new candlestick which was opened, is now is 4 o'clock my time. So this will be a good trade from this zone until to this zone area, where you can say this is a demand zone area. So this will be a good take profit zone area. So if you took your entries, right? By now you can now see that there is a order block right there rejecting, but this one will not hold because also it was after this breakout structure. So you will now focus on this, maybe this order block right there, right? And that's where maybe your first take profit will be at. I hope you guys you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a blessed day and a blessed weekend. As we promise, we're gonna have this type of video every day, and I hope you are blessed, guys. Thank you.